Alright, I'm making a 6% acidity balsamic Savoy sauce, tablespoon of ground black pepper, not freshly ground. Oops. That's not going to fit. Oops. Tablespoon of thyme. Tablespoon of ground oregano. Waste not, want not. And this I've never had before, and then I started using it. This is Szechuan pepper. I got the peppercorns ground up myself. And then, as you know, I already drained this. When you're dealing with chicken Savoy, you can never have too much garlic. I drain this. Notice there's no liquid. Alright, quick pause, clean up. Alright, we got the balsamic vinegar. Notice it's very thick. This has been soaking the sun-dried tomatoes to give it that little extra Alright, now, actually let me put it just a little bit more. You want to hit this with the hand blender. Another quick pause. And there you go, fully blended. The reason why we didn't go all the way up, we went halfway when I put the hand blender in. As you can see, it went up to here. It didn't splash out. Everything's pretty well mixed. Now we're just going to add a little bit more balsamic. Now see all that stuff right there? That's the sun-dried tomato pieces. You want to make sure you get those, so get another jar. Oh, these things are sealed tight. Try another one. Wet hands probably don't help. We can't even open these. There we go. Want to make sure you get all that sun-dried tomato flavor. There we go. That is my sun-dried tomato balsamic Savoy sauce. And somebody's going to be happy because we're going to do pork loin Savoy. Never did that before. Didn't even waste my time Googling it. But that's how you do a Savoy sauce, or the way I like to do my Savoy sauce. The original one didn't use the Szechuan pepper, and it did not use all balsamic. It's supposedly red wine vinegar balsamic. At one point back in the day, it was done with red wine vinegar, and a splash of balsamic was put on it right before it was served. Through the decades of cooking this and my father cooking it, I find this one is the best one ever. Love it.